Guess it's time to fix the dimensions.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What? Yeah, a little.
He is...
What's... hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Oh, pal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
Yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Do you want to,
Thank you.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
how many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing?
The crowd flutters quiet in anticipation. The one, the only, Emperor Nefarious enters the arena.
Ready, Kit?
Ready.
Another Lombax? Ha! Good thing I don't lose in this dimension.
We'll see about that!
You think you're so tough? Let's turn up the heat. Why must Lombaxes be as adaptable as they are insufferable? Yes. Why must Lombaxes be as adaptable as they are insufferable? Yes. Whoa already! And let me enjoy my reign.
This is not looking good.
I've got it covered! I'm totally fine! What'd you do with the Emperor?
Never or Clank, or whoever that is on your back, takes my newfound glory away from me. Isn't fair, so this one's on my team.
Nice, Grunthor!
Are we on Sargasso?
Yep, this is where I'm from. Funny story. Wait, maybe I should focus.
Are you just chatting? Fine. Pretend I'm not a threat. I'll show you. Brilliant and powerful than ever! Into the heart of a supernova. Why aren't these not labeled?
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat
Did
you
your
and
conjurer see
Ratchet
that?
in front of an audience. My adoring fans.
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet in front of your audience of my adoring fans! Enough of this insolence!
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum and... Anyway, when I heard that the rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! I've been fighting rebels for years! Let me help you wipe them out!
My, strange fan wants to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso! I have to get there first!
We're coming with you.
Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.
Wait! If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
As the dust settled from the destructible on planet Crank, little Zircon spotted the remains of our star in the jungle. Meet the Mangler! Reborn! Yes! Witness Mangler's power! Asset boosters!
I'll got you!
Take care,
Lucky shot!
Easy testing my patience, Lombax. I ain't done with you yet.
Of course, the Emperor would come back just because he was on the news. Ugh, not for the dimensions falling apart or...
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must get the Dimensionator away from him before we have no home left to save.
Make an entrance with the Bombardier! Guaranteed for an explosive good time! Enjoy that warmonger, sugar! Your enemies certainly...
All of the other names on that hit list.
It is not your fault that they were
sugar?
captured.
Upgrade time! Ooh! That is practically bursting with power now! I do hate to see you go, sugar!
I've heard of a monk looking for Lombaxes on Savali. I wonder if Ratchet found him yet. We are not letting the Emperor destroy my home. Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
Temporary.
Furious.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing should be sour and sweet.
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
I do hate to see you go, sugar.
Hey, you done picking on the...
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean, you. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator.
Watch out for rapid fire! Kill in one piece!
All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the Seekerpede and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off!
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, Kit. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede.
Attention, Sargasso. The Emperor sends his warmest greetings, with a subtle hint of condescending derision. Especially Rivet.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself.
Right. Or not. Either way.
The Emperor's not just going after the Morts.
He is taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
Rivet! It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my weapon wagon. I put a lot of thought into it. I hope you don't mind my watch from a distance. I'm just exhausted from eliminating your allies.
I'd say better resisting, to be honest.
Luck getting closer to the Seekerpede. Let's keep pushing forward.
These are those Lombaxes that makes them so persistent.
Counterpart is even more annoying. Believe me. Just you wait.
Getting closer to the Seekerpede. Let's keep pushing forward.
Your immediate incarceration, loyal subject. Our troopers will assist in your compliance.
What is it about Lombaxes that makes them so persistent?
Counterpart is even more annoying. Believe me.
What do you want to do? Release that ramshackle Seekerpede? Oh, how quaint your little mind must be.
Just you wait, Lombax. There are big expansive plans in store for Sargasso.
Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise now.
Getting closer to the Seekerpede. Let's keep pushing forward.
Your immediate incarceration, loyal subject. Our troopers will assist in your compliance.
We are
It's about Lombaxes that makes them so persistent.
Counterpart is even more annoying. Believe me.
What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle Seekerpede? Your little mind must be.
Just you wait, Lombax. There are big expansive plans.
Store for Sargasso. Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise now.
Rise! Let's keep after Maynard. That is the last of them. Let's keep following Maynard toward that Seekerpede.
So many ships. The Emperor's being very thorough.
It'll be okay. We'll free the Seekerpede and the fight will start going our way. It will.
Cover the grenade immediately.
Big energy blast! You will regret this, insolent rebel!
thingamajigger. Here we come. I am looking forward to examining that anomaly.
So, when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what... I imagined.
Kit? Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This is an electric sphere.
Ah, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
He's traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh. So that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
Does that spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost. That's intriguing. The spinnergizer converted the dimensional energy into action.
This should elevate things.
job, Kit. You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
How bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shiny.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, Kit, to both of you. What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing. Spinnergizer could use some energizing. Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
You're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives.
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
So if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be.
Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together. but I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Zero gravity at my fingertips.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
That Spinergizer could use some energizing. Super heavy energy? Fascinating.
Kit, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
But you are. Trying to fill in for your...
In that case, go us!
Go us.
I am so proud of you. Well done.
I could not have done it without you, Gary.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line